Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Lion channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you top 5 websites for affiliate program. Start earning today. If you want to know how, subscribe on channel and watch video to the end. An affiliate network or platform is a virtual marketplace that connects sellers and affiliates, helps simplify the affiliate marketing workflow and makes it more cost-effective. First website is Fiverr. Promote the world's largest marketplace for digital service. Get paid to drive traffic. Join as an affiliate. It's free to get started. Promote Fiverr. Share Fiverr with your target audience. Next website is Max Bounty. Allows weekly payments. Promote high converting, cost per action campaigns from hundreds of advertisers, syncing your blogging, media buying, social media, and email marketing expertise. Next website is ClickBank. ClickBank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. Next website is eBay Partner Network. Earn money by driving traffic and prompting sales across of the world's largest and most diverse marketplace. Next website is JVZoo Affiliate. Instantly connect your business with millions of paying customers and the top performing affiliates. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, click on subscribe, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next video. Bye!